Welcome to 61312 Tetherow Vista Drive. This is an incredibly beautiful custom home now available for sale. Let's go inside and discover this home. This was a very thoughtfully designed home and really incorporates a lot of different solar angles. We have a great courtyard facing east that brings in a lot of sun and has just a light and bright kitchen in the mornings. Then in the evenings, you have phenomenal western views, exposure and outdoor living that is really second to none and features a great outdoor fire pit and covered patio. And the kitchen here really demonstrates, the high quality materials and attention to detail that you'll find through the rest of the home. And it is really in line with that contemporary farmhouse fusion that they have here that they executed so well. So this home is really a sum of all of its parts. Has over 2,600 square feet of really custom and high quality construction and outdoor living on all sides. It's really a special home. I'm excited to share it with you, and I invite you to take a few minutes and come discover this house in person.